Hey, what's up, guys? It's Alex here. I want to show you what QuickMeet has done to make it so that it just snaps right into Agent CRM. So I'm logged into my QuickMeet account, and then I go to settings, and then here's where you can integrate Agent CRM. It's so easy to do. So you click on Add Integration. For me, I've got it integrated so you can see it there, but you click on Add, and then it'll take you here and you literally just select the account that you want to add QuickMeet to. So now it has permission to add notes to your contact. And so once it's integrated, then you'll see it show up in your account like so. And then once you go over to Agent CRM, it's this easy to add someone or to send someone a QuickMeet invite, right? So um, you just type in, please join me at my quick meet room. And then you'll go into the templates and it's got a snippet in there. And all you have to do is just add it. And so click on snippet inside of the contact, quick meet meeting link, use template, and then shaboom. So there's a couple of things that are happening in here. One, it's got your video conference meeting URL, which is going to be like quickmeet.com/Alex branding for me. And then this is your location ID. So this tells QuickMeet which account to upload it in. And then this is your contact ID. So for this one, it would go into tester, right? And so we'll say, please join me in my QuickMeet. Now, with QuickMeet, what it's automatically set to record meetings. So you don't have to manually record the meeting when you're going in. When your guest joins your QuickMeet, they're going to get that message that says, "Hey, this meeting is being recorded." So now they know. And then after the meeting is over, since we have sent QuickMeet the location and the contact, then a note will be added here inside of their contact with the recording URL. So all you have to do is just go to your contact that you had conversations with. You can scroll through this side here, the conversations, to see the text in the email. And then for all of the notes, like the quick meet links and such, you go into the notes section here and you'll see all the notes, including all the quick meet links for the conversations that you had. So quick meet makes it so easy. It's completely set up to just store it so it's ready to rock and roll for you. All you have to do is use quick meet. I like it so much better than Zoom. I think QuickMeet just takes so much of the hassle out of it. It automates your video meetings. They're doing a phenomenal job. So highly recommend it. Go sign up for a QuickMeet account while their alpha discount is still live.